today is July 21st. This is Love, Southwest Airlines. And as you can see, it has been trading sideways for some time. Keep in mind that before the pandemic, it was trading around $60. Now, air traveling has dropped. And so this company, airline industry, is struggling. But if you're in it for the long haul, the big banks are accumulating. As you can see, trading sideways. So these big banks are accumulating. If we have 12 months, 24 months patience, I will buy here, continue to accumulate. And one thing we know for sure, once vaccine is found, people are comfortable traveling, we expect this gap to fill. So we expect its stock to climb all the way to the pre-pandemic level and probably more. It's a good company. So for Southwest, I recommend that you accumulate, add it to your portfolio. But you must be patient to hold it for a very long time. I hope this helps, and I'll see you next time. Happy trading.